Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another video here on Sincerely Shamsa. Today's video, we have an after dark clean with me. This is a quick motivational video. If you are in need of some motivation, be sure to watch the full video. Hey everyone, I missed you guys so much. Sorry for the background noise, y'all. My kids are out of school. I filmed this video back in 2024. You guys will see this video in 2025, hopefully, inshallah. The kids have been out of school since Christmas, before Christmas started, and it has been very, very busy here. Alhamdulillah, we have been super busy. um Lots of mess, lots of screaming. It has been a very busy house, and alhamdulillah for that. I'm just trying to keep my sanity. I'm like literally in my room right now, trying to get away from all the chaos that's going on at the living room. Just do a quiet voiceover, but I guess that's not gonna be possible. So I apologize for the noise in the background in advance. So for today's video, we're just going to be focusing on cleaning the living room. I need to tidy up here before I go to sleep. Like I said, the video title for this is an after dark clean with me. I had it enough with them, so I was telling them, y'all need to go to sleep. Like, y'all need to sleep. Y'all been up since so early. One thing about my kids is when they have school, it's really hard to wake them up. But when they don't have no school, like, they be the first ones to be up in this house. So I was like, I'm over it. Y'all need to go to sleep. I just need to clean up my living room. I like to get my space all cleaned up before I go to sleep. Sometimes it's really hard because I have work and then I'm so tired from work. So I just go to sleep. But the majority of the time I do clean up. And I do tell my kids to clean up after themselves, but I had it enough with them. So I just told them, y'all need to go inside to your room. I don't want to see you guys. I would like to introduce myself to anyone that's new here on my channel. My name is Shamsa and I'm a mom of 5, a very busy mom of 5. I work part-time and I do content creating here on YouTube. I love YouTube. I've been away from YouTube for quite a while, a little bit, but I am back and I'm so glad to be back here on YouTube. Here on my channel I upload contents like cleaning motivation, day in the life, and a little shop with me here videos. So if you enjoy those type of contents, then I would love to have you. So please consider to click on that subscribe button and be sure to give the video a thumbs up. A little bit more about myself is that I was born in Kenya in a refugee camp. My parents are originally from Somalia. We arrived in the US about when I was like 10 or 11 years old. So basically I grew up here, went to school, graduated, and did a little bit of college. Now I'm on YouTube. So if you would love to support me, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and share my content with your friends and families. Please be sure to introduce yourself in the comment section so I can welcome you to my YouTube family. If this is your first time here, I have a 2-year-old toddler, and lately her siblings introduced her to slime. Y'all, They got this as a Christmas present from the school, and now the slime is everywhere in my house. It's on the couch covers. They even put like a slime, like a big chunk of it in the sink. It fell in the sink, and luckily I poured down hot boiling water and it went away. Like there's slime all over her toys, like the one that I was just showing you guys. Like I am just so over it. I'm so ready for these kids to go back to school, and I don't ever want to see slime ever again. Y'all, I've been neglecting cleaning the vacuum canister where the dust and everything goes in. As you guys saw a while ago, it was so dirty. Like I tell myself, like I'm gonna clean it up today, tomorrow. I'm gonna do it in a little bit, and I never get to it. So tonight I was like, "Hey, let me just clean this out because it was getting pretty filthy, and I've been using it to clean up the slime that was like stuck on the rug and stuff. Yes, it got on our rugs, like it got on the shaggy rug that's like in my daughter's room now. it's just it is just so hard to get it off. Like I'm just I'm so over it with the slime, y'all. I'm over it. But y'all, make sure you clean up your vacuum canisters because it can get pretty dusty. Well, guys, the video is almost coming to an end. I hope that I was able to motivate you or give you a motivation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you made it all the way here, be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And leave me a comment down in the comment section introducing yourself so I can get to know you and welcome you to my YouTube family. Once again, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope that you have a blessed and productive week ahead. I got my bahur going on, which is a, I don't know how to describe it in English, but it has a fragrance to it. It smells really, really good, and I love to turn on my bahur so that way, you know, the house can smell all good and I can wake up to a fresh smelling house in the morning. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my other videos. Bye.